Alright, let's dive into something I've been tinkering with lately, turning an old smartwatch into a miniature home assistant dashboard. Sounds niche, right? But personally, I think this is one of those projects that's equal parts practical and just plain cool. Here's the thing, most people, when they think of a smart home dashboard, picture a big tablet mounted on the wall. And sure, that works, but it's not exactly subtle. So, I started wondering, could a smartwatch, something I'd otherwise toss in a drawer, do the job instead? What makes this really interesting is the challenge of scale. A smartwatch screen is tiny compared to a tablet, but that's kind of the point. In my opinion, a minimalist approach to smart home controls can be way more elegant. Imagine a guest walking in and seeing a sleek, unassuming device on the wall, not a giant screen screaming, "Hey, I'm a smart home hub." But here's the catch. Smartwatches aren't designed for this. They're personal devices, not communal ones. So, how do you make that work? One thing that immediately stands out is the Apple Watch's limitations. When it's charging, the screen sleeps until you interact with it. At first, I thought this was a deal breaker, but then I realized it's actually kind of perfect for minimalism. You don't want a bright screen glaring at you all the time. Plus, it forces you to think about what's truly essential. Do you really need to see every camera feed and notification on this thing? Probably not. What many people don't realize is that simplicity can make a smart home feel more intuitive, not less. Now, let's talk about privacy. If you're using an Apple Watch, it's tied to your iPhone, which means it mirrors a lot of personal info. Personally, I turned off notifications entirely for this project, but it's still something to consider. If you're worried about guests accidentally reading your texts or making calls, this might not be the setup for you. But if you take a step back and think about it, most smart home dashboards have similar privacy concerns, it's just about how you manage them. What this really suggests is that repurposing old tech isn't just about saving money, it's about reimagining what devices can do. I've always felt like Home Assistant's Apple Watch integration could be better, but with a bit of creativity, you can work around its limitations. For example, I used scripts to control specific functions like the vac and garage door. This way, guests can't mess with settings they shouldn't, which is a win in my book. A detail I find fascinating is the mounting process. I 3D printed a few options, a wall mount, a desk stand, and it got me thinking about how we interact with tech in our homes. Wall-mounted dashboards feel like traditional switches or thermostats, which is great for accessibility. But a desk mount? That's clean, modern, and almost invisible. It's like the dashboard becomes part of the decor, not the focal point. If you take a step back and think about it, this project raises a deeper question. How much tech do we really need in our homes? Do we want every surface to be a screen, or is there value in keeping things subtle? Personally, I'm still on the fence about whether this dashboard has enough utility to justify keeping my old watch. But one thing's for sure, if you've got a spare device lying around, this is a way better use for it than letting it collect dust. So, here's my closing thought. Smart home tech doesn't have to be flashy to be effective. Sometimes, the most innovative solutions are the ones that blend into the background. What do you think? Would you repurpose an old smartwatch like this? Or is it too much hassle for too little gain? Let me know in the comments, I'm curious to hear your take.